Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how we can open Task Manager on Windows 11 Dev version. Well, on Windows 11 Dev version, which you can check by right-clicking on your PC and going to Properties. When we click on Taskbar, it does not give us the option to open Task Manager. So to open Task Manager on Windows 11 Dev version, we can use other ways to open Task Manager. So the first way is to write a command on Run window. So press Windows key plus R on your keyboard and then write task mgr and click on OK. It will open the Task Manager, and if you want, you can click here to see more details. Now, the second way of opening Task Manager is to use short keys on your keyboard. So press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open Task Manager. And the third way of opening Task Manager is to right-click on the Start and then select Task Manager to open it. And the fourth way of opening Task Manager is to search it. Here, just write Task Manager and it will show up. Then simply click on it to open it. Well, for convenience, you can pin it to Taskbar and Start menu. And for the sake of example, I'm pinning it to Start menu. And here you can see that it's been pinned and we can just click on it to open it. And this is how you can open Task Manager on your Windows 11 Dev version. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.